In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a contract in Pandadoc. We'll walk through the full experience from the moment you get the email all the way to confirming that your signature has been submitted. I'll explain what you're seeing on the screen, why each step matters, and a few tips along the way so you feel completely confident when you sign. First, open the contract from your email. You'll receive an email invitation generated by Pandadoc, and inside that email you'll see a button labeled Open Document. Go ahead and click that button. This will launch the document in your browser using the latest Pandadoc interface, so you don't need to install anything on your computer. Once the document is open, you'll usually see a bar or prompt along the top of the page. Look for a button labeled Start in the top right corner. Click Start, and Pandadoc will automatically scroll you to the first field that requires your attention. This saves you from hunting around the document trying to guess where to sign or what to fill in. When you arrive at the area that needs your signature, you'll see a signature field, often outlined in red or clearly highlighted. Click directly inside that signature box. As soon as you click, a pop-up window will appear, giving you options for how you'd like to add your signature. In this pop-up, you can choose to type, draw, or upload your signature. If you select Type, you'll type your name and Pandadoc will convert it into a stylized signature. This is quick and works well for most people. If you choose Draw, you can use your mouse or trackpad to hand draw your signature for a more personal touch. And if you already have a saved image of your signature, you can use the Upload option to bring that file in. Once you're happy with how your signature looks, click Accept and Sign. Your signature will now appear in the signature field on the document. Before you wrap up, it's a good idea to scroll through the document briefly and make sure everything looks correct and that any other required fields are completed. When you're ready, look for the Finish button, usually at the top or bottom of the page. Click Finish to finalize the process. This step officially completes your signing session and automatically notifies the sender that you have signed the contract. And that's all you need to sign a contract in Pandadoc using the latest interface.